This tutorial shows you how to use the waypoint mode. Tap on the icon for Advanced Flight Functions, and then on Waypoint. Tap on New and set a waypoint on the map. On the right side, you can now set the height of the waypoint. If you want all points to have the same height, simply check the box below. You can now select whether you want the mantis to perform an action at the waypoint. You can choose to take a picture, start recording, and stop recording. Now add more waypoints to the map until the desired flight route is completed. Please note that the points must be at least 5 meters apart. A flight route can consist of up to 100 points. If you want the mantis's camera to be oriented to a certain region during the entire flight, you can also define a point of interest on the map. Now you're ready to go. Tap on Start. You now have the option to save your route if you wish to return to it at a later time. Next, set the flight speed and then fly the mantis close to the starting point. As soon as you move the slider to the right, the mantis will fly along the selected route. Upon arriving at the last waypoint, you can decide whether you want the mantis to stop there or fly back again via the same route. If you want to interrupt the automatic flight, you can do so at any time by tapping the red back arrow.